Yeah, I just installed these new hose clamps from Gates. They're shrinkable hose clamps called Powergrip. They look slick as hell. I got them from my buddy Mike. Go follow him on Instagram, 70 Chevelle guy. Check his car out. Yeah, these things look slick as hell. Takes the place of these here. The old traditional style. All you gotta do is heat them up with a heat gun. Once you put them on the hose, run the car for about 10-15 minutes till it gets up to operating temperature. And they finish up shrinking on the hose. See if I get a close up here, the part number. This is how they come in like little cardboard sleeves. Like this. You just crush the cardboard and it slides out.